How to use multi-signature group and withdrawals. Step 1. Open MixPay and select a multi-signature group. Step 2. Check the orders and collection status. There are some collections. Click to see details. Step 3. View the members of the multi-signature group. These are all the members included in the multi-signature group. Step 4. Create a group chat adding all multi-signature group members there. Note: first add the Cowallet bot to your contacts. Group name. This number is the threshold for multiple signatures, which refer to the total number of signatures and must be the same as the numbers of multi-signature account created in MixPay. Step 5. Withdrawals. Select a receiver. Enter amount. When the required signatures from multi-signature group members are collected, the funds can be successfully withdrawn.